Now these are specially developed for rapid response going into the SAS predominantly and special forces. You've got the DNC up there, the young lady manning it. Alright, she's not to point it at anybody in action. Obviously when you see now the Americans, they're using these quite a lot in Ukraine. You've got the vehicles going around there, you can see it. They have a section of the Sahara, or Hungary. And the designation for that is so long, I can't repeat it over the air, but it goes on very, very long. They were a very good vehicle, very well proven vehicle, and sought after by military vehicle collectors. The only trouble is, when they took them into Europe, they were so wide, they didn't fit down the narrow lane. And the Americans actually said, can we have some Land Rovers instead? So Land Rovers did very nicely.